Hi, friends. Welcome back for another wonderful day of teaching and learning. This is Peak Flicks Math with Miss McKinley. Today is day 7. Number sense. Whole body counting to 10. Count to 10 using your fingers. All right, ready, friends? Like yesterday, we're going to hold up 2 of your hands closed. We're going to start with our pinky and open up all of our fingers. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Next, it says count to 10 with shoulder taps. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now we're going to count to 10 growing like a flower. When we start with 0, we're thinking of our seed or a seedling, which is very small. So we are going to get very small. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now let's do our partner counting. Take turns counting to 10. So I'm going to start with 0, and then it will be your turn to say 1. And we'll go back and forth partner counting all the way to 10. 0, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, friends. 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Awesome job. Okay, now you need your whiteboard. Use your whiteboard to write how many fingers. So let's start with this first one. Ready, friends? Write how many. Did you write 0? For my next number, I'm just going to scoot right next to that number. So let's count this, and I'm not going to clear my board for today. Count that next set of fingers. Did you say 5? Awesome. I changed my mind. I am going to clear my board because the numbers are too small. Count how many fingers. Did you say 4? Move to the next set of fingers and let's count them. How many? Did you say 2? Awesome job. Let's count the next set of fingers. Did you say 0? Let's count the next set of fingers. Did you say 3? Awesome sauce. Move to the next set of fingers. Did you say 1? Excellent. And go all the way down to the bottom for the last set of fingers. Did you write 4? Great job counting, friends. Your fluency is getting faster and faster. So I don't know if you've noticed, but the first day we only practiced 1 example. Then we increased it to 6. And now you guys are all counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 examples of fluency. That is amazing. Give yourself a zing. Great job. So let's go over our goal for today. Our goal says, I can recognize, write, and count to 7. Awesome. So we have a new number like we did yesterday. We had 6. Today we have 7. So we're going to learn all about the number 7 poem. But before we begin, we are going to review number 6. All about number 6. So we worked a lot with 6 yesterday, so for this one, we'll just go over the poem. So show me your skywriting finger. Make a C, then in you go. Now you've made a 6, you know. This is our new number. All about number 7. Across the sky and down past Kevin. That's the way you make a 7. Show me your skywriting fingers. Ready? Across the sky and down past Kevin. That's the way you make a 7. Awesome. And we pretend like little Kevin is right here. So we go across the sky and down right past little Kevin. Awesome. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the dominoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you know what I noticed? That here is a group of 5. Here is a group of 5. And then 2 more. And then 2 more. So number 7 is a group of 5. 1, 2, show me with your fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's correct. It's 5 and 2 more. Use your cubes to represent the number. Write the number on your whiteboard. So here is a number. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love this math tool. Remember, it's called a 10 frame. The 10 frame helps keep the numbers organized. So as you could see even from the slide before, we have a group of 5 here and then 2 more. So now we are going to use our whiteboard to write this number. So go ahead and grab your expo marker and your whiteboard as I turn my camera around. We are going to practice writing this number. Awesome. It's so funny because it gets so squiggly wiggly when I move it. There we go. Okay. So if you need a few more seconds, go ahead and pause. Okay, so now we are going to use our cubes. So what did we notice? There were 5 in a row on the top. So let's go ahead and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep going. 6, 7. Excellent. I love it that you organized your numbers the same way that our board has it organized. We have 5 there and 2 there. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write that number using our poem. Across the sky and down past Kevin, that's the way you make a 7. And I draw this little guy Kevin, especially in the beginning, because there's Kevin. We went across the sky and down past Kevin. That's Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. Awesome. And when you write your 7s, you don't need to write Kevin. You're just going to write the number, but you'll pretend like he's there. So let's try that again. Across the sky and down past Kevin, that's the way you make a 7. Excellent job, friends. Go ahead and reset your board. Hi. Help me draw a counting path to count the beans. So friends, I have these beans here and they spilled out of my bag. I need help counting these beans. The directions said, help me draw a counting path. So friends, these beans are not organized. I literally lost my beans. Because my beans would be organized, but these beans are a mess. So I am going to use the pen tool down here to help me draw a counting path. So when you count using a counting path, you start at one spot and you just try to go so that you touch every bean. So let's draw a counting path together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, let's do that again because I counted and I said 6. So even when I was counting, I was not very organized. Let me get a little bit more organized. I'll use yellow. Maybe that'll help me count better. Okay, so let's try to make our number path a little bit smoother. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have counted all of my beans, and this is number 7. Help me write a number 7 with my special yellow marker. Across the sky and down past Kevin, that's the way you make a 7. So friends, this number path helped me to get organized. The first time I did it a little zigzaggy, and I think I forgot to count this first bean. But do you think there's a more organized way that I could set my beans? Maybe there is. Let's check it out. Ooh, let's use an array to organize my beans. So here, friends, what do you notice? They are now in a straight line. I've also used this friendly group up top. Let's count how many are up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 group made me think of a 5 group that we were learning about in the beginning of our math learning. And it also made me think about our 10 frame, because our 10 frame is another great tool to help us stay organized. And my beans are definitely organized now. So let's count how many beans are all together on this page. Ready? And when we get to 5, I'm really going to be like 5 so that we really see that 5 group on the top in that nice line or array. Say array, line. Let's count the math. Beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 beans. So friends, this says use your cubes to represent the beans. Use your whiteboard to write the number of beans. Okay, great. So friends, go ahead and grab your cubes. You'll need 10 total. Grab your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. As you are doing that, I'm going to turn my camera around. Awesome. And just pause the screen if you need a little bit more time. Excellent. Let's line up our cubes the way that the beans are lined up. Help us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cubes and there are 7 beans. And we did our cubes the same way. Here we had a friendly 5 group on the top and then 2 more. Help me write number 7. Across the sky and down past Kevin, That's the way you make a 7. Excellent job, friends. I love doing math time with you guys and getting so organized. So, let's review our goal. Were we able to? So, our goal says, I can recognize, write, and count to 7. Were we able to achieve that goal? Check. We sure were. So, friends, thank you so much for joining me for another amazing day of teaching and learning. I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye, friends.